Oh my God, like seriously, no shade, no tea. What's going on, Daddy? Like for real, for real.
I pushed my bike all the way over there. From Madison and Lockwood to Central and Harrison.
We're gonna put Warp 9 wheels on it, graphics kit.
He both, look, okay, face down and down, both cost 6 million, not 6 million, look.
Gotta get this junker out. Misguided. You already have the tire? Okay, we got him. No worries. Sounds good. We'll see you. It's a big deal. No customers coming in for a tire change right now. Cause last time I was in this thing moves, bro. I don't have my helmet though to vlog. Oh, it's going right now too. Wow, this is a bad man. You should take Adrian for a rip, dude. Oh, really? Yeah.
South, I had to jump for you to go, but no deal.
Bro, that's fucking wild, dude. Holy dude.
You called about the tire and the handbrake.
So we recommended a 16mm Brembo RCS up front with the little straight reservoir, Motul 600 fluid of course, so he doesn't get brake fade. An 80-inch steel brake line all the way onto the back, where we did a 255mm rotor, a little bit bigger than stock, with the Yamaha R1, R6 monoblock in the back. It's going to give him a lot of stopping power, and he wanted to utilize his stock foot brake, so it's all good to go with a fresh GPR. It's going to feel like a new bike. He's going to be able to do sit down or stand up and tank wheelies and all that good stuff now.
Did my man take my fucking card? Like, what the fuck? Like, he better not have taken my shit. I'm gonna fucking spank his ass.
That's right. Have no fear. I'm here. Mr. Gandhi, the man with many voices.
Hello, how you doing, guys? What's going on?
Hey, what are you talking about? Lay down somewhere before I slam him.
Basically, what I want you to understand, you come to my broadcast, we go live me, all the platforms, I'm on there, I'm the man with many voices.
Oh my God, like seriously, no shade, no tea. What's going on, Daddy? Like for real, for real.
Oh, whatever. What are you talking about? Basically, you come over here and say hello to me. And we got the guy over here with the motorcycle. He fixes them well.
Oh, honey, would you shut up?
Hey, don't talk to me like that.
Oh, honey, my name is Jackson, honey. I'll take out my dentures and I'll slam you.
Oh. Hey, what are you talking about? I told you about that. Now lay down before I slam you.
Come on, get me together, y'all. Let's go look at your bike. Come on, get me together. Get me together.
I got a water on me. It's a little
please,
but yeah, gosh, all right.
I pushed my bike all the way over there. From Madison and Lockwood to Central and Harrison. Yeah! For the West Side of Chicago. Yeah! That was 9 blocks. That's how bad I want to ride. What's wrong with it? Okay, I parked it the year before last, and I went to go start it and it just was not strong. So I went and bought a new battery. The battery didn't work. This is not the new battery. I got the new battery in my other motor, okay? put the new battery in there.
Honda VFR800 got pushed here by old boy. Said he lived a few blocks away. He was really tired when he came down here, so hopefully we'll be able to take care of him and get him out of here.
I fuck with y'all though, man. Fuck with Misguided, gang.
Hell yeah.
I get you right.
I appreciate the business, brother. Anytime,
Anytime, man.
Be easy, alright?
Alright, you too. What you got for 1500?
Nothing for 1500, brother. Probably like the tool store would be your best option. The tool store on 47th in Harlem.
Yeah.
If you got like 1500, you can walk out same day with something.
Yeah, I know.
But it's not gonna last you as long as something. I would recommend you get a little bit more money and house on something that's gonna last you. You know, you can pass that down to the kids as long as you keep changing the oil, do all the maintenance on it.
So you want 3200 for this?
Yeah. Clean title, 2021. It's brand new. Like you could go on Amazon and go buy some cheap, but I wouldn't recommend it for you.
I ain't gonna waste your time.
No, you're good, bro.
You know?
Yeah, you're good.
I'll take it. Like you said, I'll just give me another check.
Yep.
I'll get another check.
Save another check. You come by with me. Come in with 3 grand. I'll see what we can do.
I'll see you next week, man.
Yep.
Come back. I'll be back.
Sounds good.
All right. If I get 2800, I'm good.
I want to be closer to 3, to be honest with you.
29.
We'll make some. Come talk with some cash. We'll make a deal.
All right.
I want that bike gone. Come get it. 2021 CRF 110. Hopefully it should be sold next week. They'll be back next week, so we'll see.
Best box there. I'm gonna go. Here we go. Big box. Look. Okay. They found him down. Both cost 6 million. Not 6 million. Look.
It looks good, man.
Looks good though, no? For the white.
I like it.
I think the battery was dead, but I just kicked her a few times and then choked her, and now she started.
Only white one in town.
For sure. I've never seen a white one. That's always.
It looks good, man.
Yeah.
Got another one for you.
You dropping something else off for me?
Yep.
What are you giving me right now? Oh, the 250? Sick. Sick. We're about to get a 250L. It was that a 2020 or something like that?
2022.
Yeah, brand new, John. We're gonna put Warp 9 wheels on it. Graphics kit, I thought it was. Pretty much it, right?
Yeah.
Overall, rundown. The Honda Navi. All white, only white one in town. We out here. We just changed the plastics to white. We got her running. She was sitting in the garage for a while. Justin got it running, and then we just changed the plastics to white. We actually painted them with one of our local guys. Pearl white. Got a little graphics kit for the 2022 CRF 250L. Guy's not sure if he likes it, but I guess we'll see how it looks once we slap it on. He's thinking if he went too crazy with the colors. I think they look just fine. Number 99. 99, is that a hard number? I would have done 69, but that's just me.
You're watching Misguided. If you like this episode, like, comment, subscribe for more.
See you next time, boss.